Hello friends, hope everybody well. So in this video we are going to discuss about JavaScript array pop method. What is JavaScript array pop methods? Okay, JavaScript array pop method is a function you can call which is remove the last element of an array, and also it's return the value and also it's undefined when the array is empty, and it changes the array length. If we see that developer mozilla.org, here is the definition of array which I already talked, and that is the array pop method. The array pop methods of the pop methods of array instance remove the last element from an array, and also it returns and the elements. This method change the length of the array. So there is the code they showing here. So I am doing to my own way with coding, so programmatically. So that's for to see. There is I just called constant names with array, and there is the name of a few men's or woman name like Tom, Peter, Jennifer. That's it. You can whatever you can put this array, and it's just I show the name of for understanding the array. Okay, our array length is 4, and I hope you know array index is from start 0, so you have to always remind it. So array index start from 0, so that is means for our we can call 1 2 3 4. That's for array showing length 4, that is the length 4, and that is the array value. So that's not topic is the what is array pop. Okay, we already defined and read the definition how to use that is the main thing. So if we first of all here we already console log, so let's see, call the names and add the array pop, not push, pop. That's it, that is the function. Here is we called JavaScript pop and method. Yeah, so that is the thing. Here is nothing showing here because we didn't show anything for console log. So if we again console log, and if we see the names, there is last element John is removed, and already it's removed. Here is the our length 3, and last element is now is Jennifer. And also we already see the definition. This pop method return the value which like the John this return. So if we like another variable called like array pop and array pop variable called the console log, and it's showing the last element of the array, and the name is John. That's it. And also it change the length we already see. So that is the array methods work. Yeah, JavaScript pop methods work in that way. So I hope you understand this. Okay, you can now question one thing, why I not use here this function with this console log. You can put here just for simplicity, for our readability. I just called a new variable and put here. So that's why you can put here and paste here whatever that you add the pop method your array for array names. So that's it. I hope you understand this. Okay, one more thing I just need to add this change the main array. Okay, there is no this is the array pop method change the main, that means this array change the last element and it muting. So I hope you know the muting or mutation. If you don't know mutation, just search on Google what is mutation, you will be fine. Really hopeful. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, and if you didn't subscribe the channel already, subscribe the channel, and I will be bring up this kind of topic more soon. Thank you for watching the video.